We got 12 minutes. It's 12:48. Oh, 12:49. 11 minutes.
Oh, it's nice out here, dude.
Oh, 12:50. 10 minutes. This is the moment I've been waiting for all day.
And you have to wait a whole nother month, right?
That's gonna be November 7th.
Is that when it's gonna be?
Yeah.
When's the election?
I don't know.
Can you look it up?
No, not right now.
I know.
Oh, 12:51. 9 minutes. It could be any time right now. Some birds flying away. Maybe they notice something. Maybe they notice that the siren test is coming. Up, 12:52. 10 minutes, or 8 minutes.
Oh, gee, oh.
Up, 12:53. 7 minutes. And I'm gonna ask my catechism teachers tomorrow if they heard it. Oh, 12:54. So in 6 minutes. And then when it's done, I'm gonna put it on social media. Oh, 12:55. 5 minutes. Any minute now. We got 5 minutes.
Gorgeous day.
Yep, not a cloud in the sky, as Griffey would say.
Yep.
Now,
Staying cleaner.
Yep.
and then when it's done, I'm gonna put it on.
So what are you gonna do after this, Griffin?
Gonna put it on social media.
What kind of social media, Griffin?
YouTube.
Okay. You have some followers?
Yeah. Up, 12:56. 4 minutes.
You need to be careful with people who end up following you on YouTube, okay? Don't tell too much about yourself there. You understand? Okay. So what do you tell people about you on YouTube?
The siren.
Okay.
That's all I talk about
I'm a
on
little
there
bit
is
worried
the.
that Marissa's not gonna get enough of her stuff done today. It's already 1 o'clock. Actually, I think maybe we should think about asking Miss Carmen if we could switch our Sunday to next week.
Up, 12:57. 3 minutes. I believe it's gonna go off right when my tablet says 1 o'clock.
But we've been late too. It's been even 5 minutes after, was it? Wait, 7 minutes. Was that the most one that we had?
Yes. I think the latest one was February. Up, 12:58. 2 minutes.
He remembers the day. I remember it. I was there. You were all disappointed.
And then a few.
The election.
Like November 3rd. I think that's the day.
I have to. So, Griffey, depending on how crazy it goes, you never know.
And then early voting actually, I think, starts October 12th. I thought.
So what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say that, depending on how things go with the election, if it's chaos, we never know. We might not have fire alarms, sirens.
Yeah. Let's not be. Let's not be like
Is it
that.
gonna-
I think you.
Hey, Dad.
Get the kids all
Hey,
worked
Mom.
up over things that you don't know are gonna
Hey,
come
Mom.
to pass. What?
Is it gonna go off next month?
Probably.
Oh, 12:59.
I just think
1 minute.
I think you scare them, Trace.
Yeah,
And I don't think there's much of a point. What?
I was saying I wasn't going to do the early voting because I'd rather vote in person.
Well, you can vote in person. You can just go and do. I guess if you want to go stand in line all day on November 3rd, that's fine. I don't feel like standing in line all day.
Me neither, but
I mean, we're not going to have that day off from work.
Everything that I've been seeing, I've not been trusting.
I guess I don't understand why you have to be concerned. I mean, because I actually think if you look at where you're supposed to go vote for the presidential election, at least on when I pulled up the Tennessee vote app, it said
Oh, it's time.
said some.
So just give it a minute.
Yep, it said some elementary school. Yeah, I guess that I'm not familiar with. So, I don't know. But I guess I'd rather just go to the.
So just give it a minute.
Yes, Griffin. Dad, I'm talking about something. Can you stop interrupting me?
Yes.
I guess I would just rather go where I know I can go.
Oh my God! It's going off! Woohoo! Oh. Woohoo! Oh my